Hi guys, ito na nga at saka sisimulan ko na yung bago kong hobby na naman, which is I really love doing. So, ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagre-repack ng mga hair clips na ginawa ko, especially yung mga custom made. Tsaka, ito, i-display ko to doon sa shop namin and hopefully, mauubos din yan siya. Wala pang 1 month. So, yep. So, every week, I'll be sharing to you all of this repacking that I've been made. And this is created by Atelier by Hana. So that's actually my new brand right now. I previously have 3 brands, which is the H&M Maria collection, and I have the Creative Hand. I also have the uh, what we call that one, Beats at Papa. But right now, I decided to put it on my name, Atelier by Hana, because I do have a variety of creations that I will be showing to you. So right now, meron akong hair clip. Tapos next time na naman, I do have my tutu dress, wedding gowns, and so on and so forth. So actually, guys, I've been with this hobby or my passion for almost like since high school. So ngayon, i-share ko na talaga kasi I'm getting older and I know that there's a lot of aspirant creator that who would like to know more about kung ano yung diskarte ng pagiging um, artist, creative designer, or ano whatsoever it will call. But for me, Atelier by Hana is one of the best name I could actually represent because I have a lot of creations that I can make. So right now, I'll be showing you how I do a repacking with all the things that I have for my hair clip collection. And then if you would like to know or to get more videos, you want to watch more about what I do, you can visit my YouTube channel, Tulyar by Hana. And I've been showcasing there a lot, especially yung mga paano mag-fix ng mga machines, yung mga edger, at lahat, fuzzy wires and everything. So, yan. I'm really getting started for 2026 na mag-video na talaga and hopefully I could share more. Maraming kayong matutunan with my videos. Pasensya na rin kasi hindi ako masyado marunong mag-video alone. So, hopefully I could get a better video capturing. So, hanggang dito na lang at sa next time. Hopefully, dadami na yung mga videos na share ko. And sana marami kayong magfo-follow and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo watching my videos dito sa TikTok. And yeah, please do follow, subscribe my channel here at TikTok, Atelier by Hana or Hana Ne, and my YouTube channel, Atelier by Hana. Alright, here we go. Thank you guys. Bye!